Hi everybody, this the new room where is the yesterday dreaming. Solve the riddle that dreams have woven. I don't know why this type of room they're using this title. It's just like black holes all over. I don't know why. Solve the riddle. What riddle to solve at the end of the day? I finished the room, but I don't see what riddle. It's like an easy room, but they try to mess it up all these texts and things just to confuse people. In any case, I start the post scanner in Rust as scan. I'm scanning my IP. There's only two ports in the system working. Is it SSH and there is the port 80. Of course, if I go now the port 80, there's nothing there, so it's only Apache default page. Okay, if we go buster directory, we can see when I run the go buster to check the directories, we can see there is something, there is app there. So I start them, so don't waste time. So if I go to app now, the first thing you get, it tell you plug, what is the name, this 4713. So it's clearly they're giving us the name, something we want to check. If you search for this plug 4713, the first thing comes is this one. It has a CV exploit 4713. It's a file upload remote code execution, but you need to have authenticated, so you need to have a right to upload file. So it's not like without password. And the exploit and this is the exploit of it. Upload remote authenticate. You need to have a password for this to run. So you can run this script, but if you understand the argument here, of course it's a dreaming, and then it's a where's login. Okay, you can play or you can do again. You can do this -x. Let me look for .php files. No, hold on a minute, let me change that. You can do that and play with the portal, so you have two options here. I can look it here in the app part. Why is not finding anything? I know why he's not finding it. It's a .app plug 47. We can do this. Let's play around them, all of them. So let's edit. Let's see what we have. Otherwise you clear here, because here it have portal dreaming, so it's like some kind of portal. Plug is a CMS. Plug takes us to the CMS page. This is plugcms.org. It's in GitHub. Then you have an admin user here, so you click on it, go to the login page. So basically it's the same what we'll get here. You have image, you have index, doc, file, data, we have a login.php, we have admin.php, we have nstar requirement and all of that. Now here's the next kicker. I myself stuck in this one. Ironically, I thought some kind of I thought maybe, because what power would hell have if those here in prison were not able to dream of heaven? So I thought it's some kind of riddle, because now the room said solve the riddle that dream have woven. I thought the password, it must be I was googling this. I thought maybe it's a Sandyman, because this quote is from the TV series of Netflix. I think the Sandyman. There is a reference to Lucifer, Morning Star. For that, Morning Star is another series. And really, I don't get these easy rooms. To be personally, I don't get you easy rooms, so you let people just learning cybersecurity and hacking wherever to practice in the weekend. I don't know why room creator, this is my personal opinion, why room creator, they have this attitude to complicate things, like what power wherever, and then there is solve. What solves? I thought this is, and then ironically, when you think, then it seems wherever you just type password, and then you log in. And then I was pissed off when when you realize it's that one. It's like what the hell? It's like password is password. So what's the point of this title now? Any case, let's leave it. This is most of TryHackme. I would like to know. Of course, so we know that it's upload file, so we need to see where we can use this. You can download this and use it, or you can just be creative here. If you go to pages, here is a new page, manage file, so I can upload something. So the first thing I can say, let's say reverse shell. Let's get the one we always use, the PHP one. Open it. Extract, quit. Now let's see. If I go now to PHP, let's copy PHP reverse shell to my shell.php, and then if let's edit what we need to edit. Let's put my IP address 10.10.42.103, so port 123, that's fine. I can just have nc minus lvnp 1234, let it run in. Now let's try with it. So we know it's, so if I do upload root and I said shell, let's close it, upload shell. If I click upload, it rename it to .txt. So see, it has some kind of protection here, but we know it's a CV upload. How these people bypass? If you look this script, you know it's a PHP. You can try all the PHP file. You can see now the shell is doing it here. .phar is one of the tricks to bypass upload restriction. So we can just use the same tricks here. So I can go to my file, I can say copy shell to shell.far. It's also PHP script, you can run it as that extension. So if we do that again, and I can go browse and .far and then upload, it will upload it without modification. If you look here, this is delete, this is view. Let's view it, and then you can see it's running. So we have the shell, should be we have the shell. Where's my shell? Where is my I forgot that one. What's that one? How to do it? Python stabilize the shell. Let's what's stabilize my shell? I forgot about it. I always forget about it for whatever reason. So let's stabilize the shell. So we got now shell. So let's get for the shell. Let's see what we have. This room, the only way if you want to solve it is just you think it's easy, and then I don't know, sometimes just to go back to work and hack the box is better than wasting time and TryHackme. You know, last time I was arguing with them without one of the rooms where you get error without any case. Where is it? I can't see. We can use that. Control Z. Now we have shell. So you can have shell directly. So we can't. Let's close this. So you can have shell from this, or you can upload directly this script Python. But in any case, you can use whatever it's better for you. So you can use this. What is next step? Now we are in the box. It's a easy room. So let's assume it's an easy room. The first thing when you do, we have an ID. We are as a Apache, because www.data is an Apache user. That means you are logging as an Apache. Now when you log in any type of things like that, the first thing if you say ls home. This is our three user, death, Lucian and Morphus. You know the first flag here, Lucian, death and so let's say if I go to cd Lucian, cd home, can I go there? Let's see. I can go in. What can I see? LSA. So if you go file permission here, you can see everyone can read the bash log. I can't read the bash history. I can't do nothing here. But basically when you're in Linux system like that, so you go to the core files and then you need to look for anything that was hidden. Of course there's the cd var whtml folder, and then we have this our app cd app whatever.py, then all this file here, login.php, installer image, doc data, admin.php, requirement, ls data. What we have in ls data? We have sitting, so we can go vim data sitting of sitting. What we have that's our pass. This is if you decrypt it's a password. Not interested, so there's no yeah, the question is where is the sitting for the database? If that's the password for login, where is the password for the database? I didn't thought about it when I did this room. What is pass.php token update last check models? Where is hiding his files? Login.php. Let's see what that login.php get. Define include security security enhancement function model variable data include header install footer. Okay, what file we can say isn't, oops, it's too much. Is there password? No. Is there settings? Setting.php. Where is the is hiding is a database SQL password? In any case, it's not it's a good question if we ask a database, but what in any case let's assume now, if you go now, one of the interesting directories, like usually always this CTF they play it is in the op directory. In the op directory, now you're looking around, you find files. So you can find now there's two files, get dreams and test. So if I go now to test.py, you can see he said, oh, to do add myself to users, import request, URL wherever, so it's going to the application, login PHP, password. As you know, is a CTA. I hate the CTFs. It's like in real life this would never happen. You never use your Linux box password as so if we test this, leave this there, so we can do this one. Who's this guy first? Import was to do myself, password, book, submit, login. We assume the first one will be Lucian. So okay, let's do that, because remember ls home we have three users. The first flag is for Lucian, so we assume that password is for Lucian. So if we go Lucian at 10.10.40.17, oops, so I did a dot. If we go there, okay, yes, so we assume this password is somewhere So this password, it should be used somewhere. So let's assume this password is somewhere. So let's see, and we are in. So the first things is to look for this file. Usually that's what you do. You go to the main directories, and most of the time is always the op directory. They hide stuff here. So this is like most of the rooms they use that. So let's assume that. Now let's go to, we have Lucian. So if you have Lucian, of course, in Lucian you find Lucian file, so you can head -C7 Lucian flag, and that's the start of the flag. So that's the flag there. Of course, now ls-la, because an easy room in Linux we can play around and see what happens. So we have MySQL. What we can read here, we can't read this. No, we can. It's we are the user. So let's see cat.mysql history. Oh, let me for vim.mysql history. What insert into dreams, dream value. Who am I? Test. Okay, and then select everything from dreams, delete from dreams, where dreams like test, use library. So we have library here, we have a database called library. Select everything from dreams, show tables, select from dreams, then update dreams, set dreams equal, replace dream who am I. So you can see this function who am I here. So there is something, a dreamer, the first value. So it gives us an idea here what's going on, these names, and there is now these commands here. This is a Linux command, so you can get an idea what's going on here. Where, and then change, flash privilege, exit, show table, and then select everything. And this is 040, just forget about it, but select everything from dreams. This is very interesting here. You can see this value here. So let's accept that for now. The next file we can do is the bash history. So code.bash history. So let's start from the top. What this guy is going, he went to the SSH, he clear, and he opened SSH config. Why he did? Let's see why he opened it. etc ssh config. What he did there. Let's see what. Include host password authentication. Yes, okay. Has no one host. Is there anything special about it? Send variable language. Yes. So nothing special there. Let's, at least for me now. So this is interesting. So there is a file here. So let's make a note of these things because we might need it later on. So let's say finding. Let's create a file called finding. Let's see, we have this. Is going to Python 38 cd user library. So let's copy this for now. Let's have that as information. Then we have is a connection to the database. So it gives us an idea that there is something related into the database. Cat history clear. nanotest.sh is testing something. He went to the opt. Yeah, that's the test. And then bash history su root. He was able to go to root directly from here. Okay, clear history. su root. Okay, and then you can see sudo minus l, sudo, okay, clear MySQL. Really, su root directly. No, this is a password. You can. Don't tell me our friend. Let's see. Vim opt, the file that we got, that one, the password for. Let's copy this in case we need it again. This is Lucian password. Lucian password. Lucian password. I just need to test something because he did su root. So why you tell me that root password? No. Control C, su root. Did he switch with the same password? Yeah, let's try. No. So that history of his cat dot bash. No. So this bash history, I don't know what he was doing here. Okay, let's assume cd home Lucian cat.bash this guy history. What? Okay, I'm on wrong screen. I'm here. That one it was for data. So cd yeah, I'm very curious this part. He was, I know he's doing things, but how he was able to come here su root. So he's just trying to see the opt. You can see he's doing the opt there. In any case, let's assume what we need to assume. So what we know we have access to the database. Remember one thing very clear. The history of the database, if we go to cat the where's that file, la, the MySQL search, MySQL, I don't know why MySQL is there. Normally it doesn't come there. This is very interesting command. Select this, insert here. For my test, this updates. He did an insert and then he updated here. Look here. Let's copy this. We need it. Give us an idea what's going on. So to find it quickly, let me see more that remove this, the add-ons. Now he's doing replay. This is, remember, the code of MySQL itself. So let's just get cleaning it so to get an idea. This is a MySQL log, but it gives you that he has a syntax here. Who am I here, or whatever he's doing here. So what is the .40? I'm not sure what the .40 is. Okay, so now we have this. Let's try to play around this and see what we can do with it. If I go show databases, it's we know this is a normal SQL database, but we have the library one. So if I say use library, show tables, you have dream. If I select everything from dreams, So what happened? We have a colon dreamer and their dream. So Alice, Bob, Carol, Dave, and we have text. So text, 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 text. So what we can do is nothing I can see special about it, but let's go back to our op directory. Remember we got something that like get dreamers. You see this file get dreamer.file, and remember now we got the first flag. Now the second flag, where is it? ls home. So the second flag they ask us is death. You see now death has this file get dream dot. If I go to check the permission of this file, home get death, you can execute it, everybody. That also, don't forget to use my sudo mysl, and it tell you exactly we can run it as death. So this is very interesting. So let's try it and see what exactly this thing do. So if I said minus user death and I just put that one, so basically what he say, he do Bob, the name, the person, and the dream. Person, dream, person, dream. But because he gave us, so he can give that the privilege escalation will be done here. So how we will get it? So let's check the script. They give us a copy of the script in opt for a reason, so to see it. So it's MySQL connected here. Of course, here it doesn't give us password, because if you get a password of death, and they could get it. There's no reason why not. So he connect to the database, and that's query select dreamer, dreamer, and then let's do this. Let's connect SSH Lucian at 10.10.10. Let's do another SSH so we can have two screens, we can play with them. 10.10 what's that IP? My IP 10.10.40.17. The password, this one. The reason I'm doing this is just to confirm, so we can I can do and look at it. So if I have this, use library, everything from dreams, I think. Yeah, the name table for dreams you can see. So let's go back here. Before that, we remember we run. So basically it has the names, it show them. Cool. So where is our privilege escalation will happen? To then set form dream info, dream info. This is where the thing is already called it shell, so you can guess that we need to have a shell somehow. Sub process check output command text to true. So it's running a command echo a dreamer a dream. Then remember the MySQL update that we have here. Remember the history of we got the bash the script is inserting a command here. So to give you an idea is the second column, so echo dreamer dream for each dream info as dreamer info dreamer dream equal dream info command shell, then the print shell. Shell is sub process check output the command. So it basically, if I understand correctly, the script in Python, we can run the command Linux command on it. So let's do a test and see what happened. So let's say, remember he started this update, but before he did it he was inserting something. So let's insert a I forgot. Insert into where is that history? Let's get back again so we can cut home Lucian dot MySQL history. Remember before the first time he was where is it? Insert into Dreamer, then he put that value who am I and test. The first time he did he split, he put who am I in the first one, then next time he switch it, you can see he put the name, then the command is switch. So we can do as insert into so we can insert into the table is dreams, the dreamer, and then the dream. We can say values. Let's test it how this works. Let's follow his this one. So let's say any name. Let's say my name, and then put it in who am I. Let's try that and see what happened. Oops. New column GD. I forgot the value should be in the bracket. Values. Okay, so if I go now, select everything from dream, so I have this and I have mine there. So let's in the other screen, let's say, as I said, we said s, what's that value? So let's start. What happened now? So he give it as a text. So what did I tell you? No, because it's a Python script, to modify that. Let's see our friend, did he give us an answer or not? Update dream set dream equal changed where dream. It doesn't want to give us a replace dream who am I. Update dreams and dream equal where dream okay, flash privilege use show table. No, it's a Python script. Where is that script again? MySQL. So this is the part. So now when it come here, I think the way to do it is, let's do this, select, is to insert it as a variable, like you do this in Linux when you call it dollar and variable. So I don't know how to explain this, but usually that's how you do it. Now if I could say, you can see now, let's see now when it's push as the variable. Let's go there and it work. It said death, you see now. So now our friend did it give us the clue, so we can see now it give us who I am, because who am I, it give us death. So it means this script is running as death, and we know that because we run it as death, so we can run this script as death. So we get the privilege now, lateral movement. So we can either put shell there, or can say very smart quickly, we can say ls home death. You see the flag we're looking for, it's called dash death underscore flag.txt. I can play around this, I can get flag straight from here. I can do this. So instead to home I say just the command, say head -c7 let's say home death and say the flag. What's the name of the flag? Death flag. Okay, death underscore flag dot txt. You can see we have it here. I add a command now there, so if I go there and just run the script again, it gave me the flag. So I can get the flag from here. Of course, you can see I'm getting the flag, but always now I need a shell, because it seems later on to go to, because remember we still need to go to Morphus. We don't have Morphus. So now let's get the shell. Let's get the shell. Where is that reverse shell generator? My IP is 1042. Let's say 42.103. Before I forgot, let me put let's see what we can have. So this one there, let's have an NC minus LVNP 9001. Let's let it there. So what shell we can use? It's running system shell. We can use anything we want. Should we use bash or s? Let's try this. We are losing nothing, so let's try this. It should work because the script run. I'm not sure 100% how everything is working, but we can put a command. It's any command. Linux should work here, so you don't need to have fancy about it. So so the idea, can this work? Let's try it. Of course we have it. So we know we have the who am I, we have this and this. So if I run the script now, syntax bed number. So this one work. Who am I? The flag, I can get it, and they said syntax error bed number. Why? Okay, because now it's running, I need to fix like he did there. When he fix update dreams table set dream, just put anything. I need to reset it, otherwise we can't work. Just put let's all put them yeah, we can just put all of them. Who am I? Who am I? Where I did the same name, so let's put the whole things. Dreamer equal my name. So now just to fix, because we did the error, so we need to fix the error, otherwise we can't run the script again. So the question is why this didn't work. SSH how about run it in binary bash? Let's try binary bash. Let's make a different name so we don't need to reset the whole thing every time. So one. My neighbor are watching TV. I hope the sound is not disturbing anyone. Okay, if I select everything, so we have, let's see if this one will work. It's still bad FD. What is bad FD number? Now I'm confused now. We need to update, otherwise the script will not run again. Let's go back to the script. Oops. Why command work and then when I do the shell now doesn't work? Command text true. I'm really why it's only running the second one. Sub process check output command text. People are following this, so this didn't work. Let's see bash 5, but no, bash doesn't work. What's this? Remove temp. This is more like a normal command in Linux. How the simpler NC? Let's try this one. I forgot which one worked for me. So we can come here. Okay, we insert it. Let's see if it does work. Invalid option E. NC envelope the minus E. So NC is working but not in oh, let's try this with the minus C. So okay, so let's do that, minus C. Again we need to update. Minus C command. I don't know which one. Okay, let's try something else. Let's update that one. Okay, let's what left NC. Yeah, I saw it one of the hack the box TryHackme. This one. Let's see this one. Because one it looked like no NC nothing, and but still has bash on it. So let's see. Let's cross fingers. Insert. $$ for the things. Okay, let's make sure it's there. Can't remove if no such file or directory. Okay, let's do that. Oh, we got now we got a connection. For what reason? Why this specifically work and why this one doesn't work? What's special about NC MK FIFO? What? Any case, it did work. I don't know really why it did work. And so now if I go no ID here, so you can see is on death, so you can see and if I go to CD home death, okay, let's do stabilize the chair like we did before. Sorry guys, I'm a bit tired today. Let's see what we have. I hope my voice is not too low. So if we go there and stabilize the chairs, and then TTY, hello. And then we use STY for ground, background. Okay, Control Z. Yeah, I think it was guided, so it tell you exactly what to do. Okay, so now we have that. So if I go a home death, I can see I have two files, and they say head minus C7. Guys, you need to do to get the flag, so it's there. It's better do it yourself. So now we have the second flag. Now the first question is what would now, because death, we don't have the password for this, so it's not like so this one will not work. The usual suspect sudo minus version. Yeah, I tried this one. I thought you can exploit it. Didn't. The cron tab. Cron tab minus list no such call for death. Got etc cron tab. I don't see anything special here. Of course, we can do what we did before. cd home, we have our friend cd Morphus. What we can do there? ls minus la. Okay, we can read this, we can read that. The kingdom, we can read it. What is the kingdom? We save the kingdom, so it's not interesting for me. We can read these three, the profile and restore, and so we have this file, we can read it. So we can do restore.py. So from sh, remember when we said before he was doing this, remember from the bash history from Lucian, he was doing this. So we can see now there is something there, and we'll talk about it. Is there? It's Python 3.8. You want to use a library Python, and then he opened this file. Why he opened this file? Now we know why, because now there's a copy, so he's doing backup from home office to kingdom, so he's copying that little text and to kingdom backup. So where is the kingdom backup? ls kingdom backup is here, it has there, we don't have permission for it, so that's fine, it's not interesting for us. But you can see it's doing something that, so we can this one, it I think what they call it, not path, what that privilege escalation from this is a reason he go there. If he went there for, let's see, let's do that, let's find it. It's an ls user library Python 3.8, and then he went to this file shut py. Now let's I want to confirm the permission. It's owned by root, but the group is death, so we can read and we can write in this. You can the group read and write, so we have permission of read and write. I can see Mr. Lucian was doing there, so it gives you an idea what we can do. Now of course, even if you change it, so now we need to know the if there any process running. You can bet this one is a process running. PSPY, where is that PSPY? Accept, PSPy monitor. You can bet that's the file. 64 PSPY 64. It's download. Let's go there. Now we have that. We can open. Let's do Python, because I have this PSPY. So we have Python minus m http.server. Let that run there, and then we are in that, so I can get let's run it in Lucian. It's fine. We done from this. I can't remove. Okay, leave that one there. Exit cd temp. I can say wget http, my IP is 10.10.42.103, port is 8000, pspy64 and say mode plus x pspy, and I can just run it here, and because it doesn't matter. I think will give us now. The idea is this file ls-la, this file it definitely will be a cron job. It's running in cron, so we know that it's owned by root, and so we can get this file. Let's open it. Vim whatever it is copying stuff. I thought we can get root from here. I'm not sure. Some guys, they said they've been able to have root. You can see we can write stuff here. So this is it's very interesting. And now let's say you can see user UID 1002 is running Python restore. So you get the idea. But here's the trick part. Who is the user 1002? This one we can get it easy from. So this is, we know now it's is running this restore.py. So we know that. So let's stop it. So we know that. If I get cat-etc password, user 1002 is Morphus. So it gives you an idea. So if we can this script we run is in the cron job by the user 1002 Morphus. So if we run this, we can do shell here. It's we already importing OS, so we can make anything we want. Let's say we can have a shell here. It's not running with the root. If it was running with the root, with easy, we can get straight root here. We don't. OS system. What's that syntax again? Here we can just get a straight shell. We don't need to be fancy as shell. No, we can do this. Let me do the too much shells. Why we keep always doing shells? We can just guess. For example, if I say cd home Morphus, I know the flag we're looking for. It's called Morphus flag.txt. So just copy it from here. I don't need to always make shell. You can just say cat. No, I don't want to show it because I want to submit this to write up, and they don't allow the flag. So you can say head minus C7. Can I see it? Oh, let's try. Otherwise, we home. What's the name? Morphus. For the directory is Morphus. Morphus. You think it will work? Let's try. I'm losing nothing. W. So now let's see our friend. Let's see. Oops. cd temp dot pspy. I want to do a trick before we do the shell. Let's see if he can give me a result. Let's try something different, not always shell. Where is that shell again? Let's have another port. Let's say 9002, for example. Now this one we can use a normal NC. Why don't use the one that didn't work for us? Then why it doesn't work? Let's see. Remember we are here. Let me try something else. NC minus LVMP 9002. Let's see if we got anything. Mm, you see, I'm the I did something. It's not. You're not supposed to do that way. But let's change something in the script. I forgot to. Let's pipe it to. No, let's to temporary file. Let's call it test. WQ. Let's try if this works, otherwise we do the shell. Let's wait for the command to come. So the command is, can it copy me the flag directly to the file? Let's see if it does work. I think it runs every minute or something, the script. Otherwise we just copy the shell and get the shell and finish. You see now the 1111. This is Lucian. No, 1001. Okay. Restore now is running. Let's see what happened now. Nice little tricks. Don't tell me we crashed it. Hello my friend. I want to see this command if it passes. Yeah, but we can check that ls temporary. Do we have test there? Yeah, we got test. Let's say cut temporary test. Okay, dr3 death is Morphus. dr3 death is not the death flag. Head. Okay, let's see. We are Lucian here. Hold a second. Head minus C7 home death flag. Okay, they're not the same. Yeah, so we got the flag correctly in test. So this script did run, so we know it worked. So we know this works. Now let's try. So we can get directly the flag without going to the shell, but let's have a shell. Why not? Because we can. The shell, we can use this one. It should work. There's no reason why it doesn't work. Otherwise, what's the point? Okay, let's copy it. Let's wait for another round from our friend PS. Let's see if we got the shell. 9.2. It's running. Let's wait for it. I'm just curious of that the Python is not it. Nothing is coming. Let's see if there's don't tell me this. The minus C should work. Oh, there's no NC that side. That's why it doesn't work. Okay, nothing. Hold a minute, but I think that's the enumeration. All the stuff are there, so nothing. Now it stopped working. Did we crash it? Did we did something wrong here? Minus C and binary bash 1010 103 9.20. Oh, he's running now. Let's see if he got it. He's not. NC minus C. Oh, that's why it's an sh minus c. It's like not all shell will work. I can see that because it's adding now minus c and c minus c. So we need to do something else, not the nc. What shell could work for us? It's a can we use a Python one? Let's see, where is the Python one? PHP script is Python, so let's try Python 3.1. I don't think this one. Export. Is doing import. No, Python shortcuts. Import OSP2Y. We all this import. No, I'm putting my foot down. I'm not allowing it to. Minus nc is running a command, so let's see what how to fix this. Why not to fix it is better. So we know he's doing minus c and command minus c. Why it doesn't work? It just doesn't make sense to me. So the nc doesn't work. So if I do the bash, it should work. Let's try this one. I like to experiment, not like always using the same things, so let's see if this one works. Save. Let's wait for next round. Otherwise we go straight to Python or use the same things. Maybe this one will work, the one that we did. Otherwise we can go to Python, what? Python 1, Python 2, Python 3, Python, and they said this one is Python 3 shortest. The command minus c import os. Let's see the import test things. Do we have them? The os is here. So we just pty and the socket. Let's see if it doesn't work. We just go to the straightforward to. Let's see if this one came. Didn't. Doesn't want to work for whatever reason. sh minus c binary bash. Is the IP correct? 10.10.42.103.9002 9002. Okay, so let's use the command is import os. Should we just copy the whole thing and just put it there, or? Home. The os is already there, so we can remove it. Socket is not there. Let's try this one. I like my way I did it. We just add that one straight to the script, get it. Let's wait for it for a moment, guys. Let's experiment. It's good learning. But can it run directly one line like that? Let's see. The key is on it. Listening port 9002. What happened here? Don't joke with me now. 10.10.42.103.9002. Why is stuck here? No, good lord, he's not working. So what's the plan, guys? Restart PHP more fun. What shell we need to add to work this one? I did work for me before. Why is it not working now? PTY socket is connected. Still nothing. Import Python command, import OS PTY socket. Guys, any idea why it's not working? Let me do something quickly. Let me try something. Import socket. Oh, this one should what? Run in. You can't run it in OS system because it needs to run in Python itself. But you can see OS system. Yeah, but OS system is more the command. No, something is not right. Let me. Oh, that's why it didn't work. So. And I only copy without locking it, without closing it. And so the script was not running, in fact. Okay, let's see this time if it does work. Let's see the rest. It should work. PTY socket, the OS is there already. Socket connect to bash. Let's wait for it for a moment. That's why I didn't show the shell. So basically this is the answer how we got it. So he already tell you where to look, he give you the database, he give you username, he give you that. So now left is shell nightmare. Okay, thank you a lot. So the mistake it was I didn't close it, so you can use Python directly here. But I'm very curious why the other one doesn't work. For example, if I want to use this one. But in any case, so we got now the shell, and of course we are in Morphus. If you go to cd home, oops, Morpheus ls head minus c7 Morpheus flag.txt, and then we have the last flag. So basically this is it, but I'm still having question for me. Why solve the riddle that dream has oven? Where is the context there? Um, and also I'm trying to understand this script opt get, especially this part. Why is the is running? We never tried that, guys. Let's see. We just sitting. Wait, let's try something curious. Let's be curious. Where's that MySQL things? Use library. Insert. Select everything from dreams table. So we can say insert. I want to test something. I just want insert into dreams value dream. What's one? Dream values. So I want to test if no dollar. Who am I? No, you don't do it like that. You do it in bracket, otherwise it will not work. And then let's say, let's close it there. How about say both of them? I want to do two command in dots. Let's say ls. Okay. So if I just select everything, exit. Where's that su do? Let's see what happened here. So it doesn't show you why is a stuck here or something. No, my question is I'm not sure, but if you follow here, is doing it in the second one. I'm not sure how this script exactly works, but this is my best, guys. Hope you like it, and thank you very much, and have a good day.